Let's learn how to calculate cross price elasticity of demand. The question is, the demand function for good A is given by, that is QA, which denotes the quantity demanded of good A, is equal to 100 minus twice PA. PA is the price of good A plus 0.2y, y is the income, plus 0.3 PB. PB is the price of another good B. We need to find out the cross price elasticity of demand when price of good A is 6, income is 500, and price of good B is 10. The options are being given. We need to find out the correct option. Okay. So what is the formula for cross price elasticity of demand? And let me write it here. So cross price elasticity of demand, let's denote it by E subscript C, is being given by, that is dq upon, and let's use the partial derivative. Okay, so let me rub this out. Del q upon del pb times pb divided by q. Okay, so basically cross price elasticity of demand tells us how sensitive the demand for a product is to the change in the price of another product. How sensitive the demand for good A is to the change in the price of good B here. This is meant by cross price elasticity of demand. I will explain this step here. Okay, so what we have been given, that is QA is equal to 100 minus twice PA plus 0.2y plus 0.3 PB. Okay, let's give the values here. So QA, quantity demanded of good A, will be equal to 100 minus twice price of good A is being given as a 6 plus 0.2 can be written as 2 upon 10, which is income is 500, plus this can be written as 3 upon 10, price of B is 10 here. Okay, so this gets cancelled here, this gets cancelled, so we are left with QA will be equal to 100 minus 12 plus 250s are 100 plus 3. Okay, so this comes out to be QA will be equal to 188, this is 191. Okay, so we got QA, and let me write it here. Let's write it here, Q subscript A. Okay, to remove the confusion. So we got QA, PB is given us. We need to calculate this derivative, that is del QA divided by del PB. Okay, we are trying to find out the change in quantity demanded of good A with respect to the change in the price of good B. Okay, so given this demand function, we are taking partials with respect to price of good B. So PB is only in the last term. Derivative of PB will be equal to 1, so we will be left with 0.3, 0.3. Now cross price elasticity of demand will be equal to, so dq upon dpb, it came out to be 3, 0.3 here. Okay, so I can write it as 3 upon 10 into price of B is being given us as 10 divided by QA, we got it 191. Okay, so cross price elasticity of demand comes out to be 3 upon 191, which when we round it off to a second decimal place, it will come out to be 0.016, and it is positive here. Okay, we got this cross price elasticity of demand as 0.016. Actually it is 0.016. Okay, so this option is correct. Since we got the positive value of cross price elasticity of demand, that means the two goods are the substitute goods. Okay, here goods are substitutes because demand for one good increases when the price for the substitute good increases. Okay, so if price of good B increases, quantity demanded of good A increases. That means these two goods are also substitutes. We got the positive value for cross price elasticity of demand. Okay, I hope I make myself clear here. Thank you.